picture of, not a picture, but like a cam. What is the name of this mountain?
Mount Makilling.
How do you spell it?
Mount M-A.
Okay, I know how to spell Mount, obviously.
M-A-K-I-L-I-N-G.
Makilling.
Makilling.
Mount Makilling.
Hey, quiet. There's
It's volcano?
Are we good?
Is it volcanic?
It's not a volcano.
Oh, okay, got it. Just checking. Yeah, it's cool. How far is that from here?
Very near to the...
Near, like, what type of transportation would you need to get there?
By jeepney.
Jeepney?
Yeah. You wanna go there?
Not today.
What's your head?
Okay.
We don't have 550.
It's kind of small for. How much is it?
5,000. This is the same.
5,000.
The one that we're waiting there. Almost.
The same size. For the one for 4 or 5 is the same.
The 4 or 5 is until here only. Until here.
Okay, it's so smaller for 4 or 5. Okay, so this is 100 US dollars, equivalent to 5,000 Philippine pesos. It's a cheap price, but no, I'm not gonna change the shirt now because
Yeah, because we were going to the one that you can see the mountains too.
I will change there. I will change there.
There?
I will not change here. This is small for. I've seen some ones that are this small for 75 US, 4,000 Philippine pesos. I've seen the one in Desmarinas is about this size and it's for 4,000.
And because this one, looking at the subdivision compared to the one that you've been with, it's different. This one, the lots in this area is very expensive. And not only that, you're very near to other hospitals, schools, that's why. You know, they always say the price is big up. Dasma is not always located in exclusive subdivision or whatever.
All right, let's roll. For 100 US? Not really. I mean, we'll see. We'll take more looks. Say hello to the camera. Always, always. Even near the mountains, you're on camera. Get up. Should have been working hours ago. Another one? Oh no, we're going out. Okay. Whew. Got a little pooch.
I saw a post from the store apartment for one. Do you want to inquire?
Where? Here?
Yes.
Sure. Oh, places.
Dito po ito, located. Las Vegas. You wanna see it?
Sure.
Las Vegas.
How much?
Culture ng Pilipino daw kasi, pag kailangan ng American siya, tinataasan daw Or the hindi pwede. There's only one bedroom for that unit, and then there's electric and water meter. From here, it's so neat. And then aside from that, for beginner only, for a couple with little, no so much thing, no so much
Like a
stuff.
starter apartment.
You wanna see it?
Yeah, sure, why not?
Nakita. Malayo po ba yun? Kasi pumunta kami sa Nevada. Hindi, may kausap kami doon. Kasi hindi kami sinikot. Kasi tinignan ko na yun. Bakit hindi kami pero may ganito. Pero yung one bedroom na yun, bukas ko yung front door, maybe the same katulad dito. Ano kasi, doon kami nakatira.
This is also like the province, semi-province. Well, I guess technically no. It's province really. It's different from the city in that it's. If you're in the city, you see shops like shoulder to shoulder, vendors selling stuff outside, clear down the street on both sides. This is provincial area. You got some businesses, yeah, but mostly houses. People live here. Everybody has a motor, scooter, cycle. We call them motors here. I think I may have to get me one because traveling in these jeepneys and tricycles for somebody who's 6'1" is not cool. Not very nice.
Ano po, di ba po dito akong kanan? Itong,
Oh.
white at red.
It's a lot quieter here in these areas, but it's just as hot.
Tawag po ako ng tawag eh. Oo, kasi binisita ko yung last unit noon. Tama po ba? Yung nasa dulo? Oo. Binisita ko last time. Kasama ko yung nanay ko noon eh. Nanay ko po kasama ko noon. Hindi, gusto niya kasi makita. Yeah, she's the owner of the red one. I will call the white and red one earlier.
The white and red one?
Yeah, the one that with parking space at in front of the
Oh,
store.
that one. Okay. Okay.
You wanna go there?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
You have someone there?
Okay. Sige po. The owner of the 4-5 replied to me na you wanna go back there? No more.
Yeah, we'll go back. I mean, we're in the area.
Here.
But if we don't go now, they may leave. She replied, what did she say?
Pasensya na po. Sorry.
Sorry.
We just went to somewhere ganon. Yeah.
Sorry po. Yeah. I'm afraid that if we don't go
I
now.
will call them. You wanna visit that? The 4-5?
I mean,
After
yeah. Living water.
Yeah.
Sounds very spiritual. Sounds like it might be a church, but it's not really a church. It's just water.
Hello? I told you I went here with my mom in this red wave. It's not really red, right? You do not like red, eh?
Red?
Or the red floor that you do not like?
Oh, this is the red floor?
It's not a real red. It looks like pale red.
On the picture it looks red. I don't like red.
Yes.
Floors are red here. It's like you're on your way to, each room is leading you to a destination towards hell or something.
Yeah, this one, you open the gate.
Can we open? You have to call.
Tao po.
It's not raining, but Filipinas roll with umbrellas to avoid the sun, to avoid getting dark. They hate to get dark. They like to stay white as they can, because it will get dark.
I remember.
Floors are not red, are they?
This is for beginners, is the owner.
This is a bedroom? No windows. This shower.
I'm calling you the 4-5. Are we going to go back? You want to see?
The which one? Yeah.
Four,
Yeah, yes.
Hello po. Papunta na uli kami dyan. Palabas na kami. Sige po. Lakad na uli kami dyan. Pawisan na kami. Nag-commit na kami. Sige po. Thank you.
Even she's sweating.
I can off the light. Very small.
Small. For how much?
5,000.
No, for 100?
The lady, this is her house, she said.
Yeah, okay, got it. 100. Thank you.
We will go back to...
I thought you said the floors were red. Not on the picture. Different one. I need something else. Hey. I need a drink. Again.
Then we buy to the store first. In that store.
There may be another store.
Okay.
Let's just
The
keep
one
walking.
that we bought earlier.
Yeah, I don't want to turn around. I feel like I'm not making progress if I turn around and go backwards.
I told you to bring the white flower. You might get busy walking around here.
Oh my god.
In a week you can
I can what?
lose weight.
Huh?
You can lose weight.
Lost weight in a week? Lose weight in a week? No, no,
Just
no.
in this area.
No.
Because
You lose weight in 2 days in this hot sun.
walking around this.
Ah, you got to drink a lot of water here. I could see why people.
Here?
Well, people here usually don't have heat strokes because they stay inside, right?
Looks good.
Okay, this is for my family back in Florida. You guys think that the sun in Florida is bad? The heat? You would never come outside here. You would never come outside. Some of them don't. Some of the locals don't come outside.
Wanna buy drink now? There is a store.
Please.
Or this one again.
The same one?
It's up to you. You wanna juice? Take a look.
Yeah, let's see what they have here.
Ano may juice kayo? Plus juice? Anong
Saka Smart C.
Smart C? You like Smart C, right?
Oh. No, I don't like Smart C
You
today.
do not like water?
Does she have anything in the freezer?
Yeah. Ate, meron sa freezer nakalagay.
Na
Drink?
No?
Wala.
wala sa dito lang.
Nothing in the freezer?
Nothing in the freezer.
Let's go here then.
Okay. Thank you. Gusto nyo nasa freezer.
This one has freezer drinks.
What do you like?
What do we have? Again, we're here.
Naglalakad kasi kami. Te, kung ano daw nasa freezer nyo. Ng drinks.
Cola.
Another one I'll take.
Orange.
And you get a water.
Water again.
You,
Okay.
Water and cola, same. Hold this. Hold this one.
Isa lang? One only? Water?
No, Coke. You want water?
Yes, only water. I do not
Yeah,
like.
one water, one Coke.
One water and one Coke. The same size of Coke earlier?
Yeah.
26.
Mainit na yung
26 pesos. Equivalent to 50 cents.
You want to
US?
stop the video?
Yeah, you can stop the video. We'll drink.